This is video 5 for week 6. So this video talks about the activity that we're going to do during the synchronous class time. And again, if you're in the Monday class, you're welcome to send me an email and let me know if you'd like to attend on either Wednesday at 9:10 a.m. or Thursday at 9:10 a.m. to participate in this activity with my other sections. So I'm not going to talk too much about the activity because we're going to do it during class time. You're going to divide up by the color that you are. So if you're green, gold, orange, or blue, you'll work with people of the same color as you to do a little activity for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you'll report back on how the activity went. And I'll also share with you some of my experiences with students who've done this activity before and how different colors typically respond to this activity. And the next slides just give more information about different types of group members and how they feel comfortable and valued, and some advice for people in each of the different colors. The most important thing to remember after doing the color activity is we're all plaid. And by that, I mean we've all got a little bit of every color in us. So even though you have one dominant color, just remember you should be nobody's one single thing. All right, I hope you enjoyed the activity if you participated in class.